Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron desktop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEX 64GB RAM kit, designed for the Inspiron 3910, 3891, 3020 small desktop, and 3020 tower models. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, slow loading times, or just general bottlenecks with your Dell Inspiron, more RAM might be the answer. This kit from ATEX offers a substantial boost with its 64GB capacity, comprised of two 32GB modules. These are DDR4 DIMM modules, 288-pin, operating at a speed of 3,200 MHz PC 4-25600. They're NONCC unbuffered, or UDIM, with a 2RX8 dual rank X8 configuration. Importantly, they adhere to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, running at a safe and efficient 1.2V. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is its simplicity. It's designed for a plug-and-play installation. No need to be a tech whiz. Simply refer to your Dell Inspiron's manual for the correct memory seating and channel guidelines, and you should be up and running in no time. ATEX emphasizes rigorous quality control testing for their memory modules, which is reassuring. You want RAM that's dependable and reliable, and ATEX seems to be prioritizing that. So who is this RAM kit for? If you're a power user, someone who frequently multitasks with demanding applications, or a gamer looking to improve performance, this 64GB kit could be a worthwhile investment. It's a relatively straightforward way to increase your system's memory resources and potentially eliminate frustrating bottlenecks. Of course, before purchasing any RAM upgrade, it's always crucial to verify compatibility with your specific Dell Inspiron model. Double-check your system's manual or the manufacturer's website to ensure that it can support 64GB of RAM and the 3,200 MHz speed. In conclusion, the ATEX 64GB RAM kit appears to be a solid option for Dell Inspiron owners seeking a significant memory upgrade. The plug-and-play installation, coupled with ATEX's quality control measures, makes it an appealing choice for those looking to boost performance without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.